Hello everyone. This is Jessica from Logging Gatod, and we're going to show how to install the agent and to exchange the license keys that allows it to communicate to the main system. The two pages on this screen are the new server, along with the main server on a separate box. We'll switch back and forth as we do the key exchange. The server names are on the tab bar, so you can see which system is which by looking there and cause it's confusing. We will be copying and pasting data back and forth. This is a new VM, so first we'll install our repo and GPG key. Using the online repo makes this really simple to do. Cut and paste the line from the docs to load our key, and allow the package manager to update. Then just install the package from the repo. It's just that easy. Like the other services, it does not auto-start, so you can customize the settings. Now for licensing. Run the application once to generate a new request. Then cut and paste it. Going back to the Gatod shell instance connected to the server, run the license command and paste in the request. The server will create a response. Copy it into the clipboard. You have just done a key exchange between the servers. Easy. The server won't allow any client without a signed request to connect. Save the file on the agent system as Gatod DCRT. One last step is to copy the server public key to the agent. Going back to the Gatod shell, run root CA and copy that into root C as CRT on the agent system. This is how the client knows that it is talking to a valid server. The remote side needs to have the correct keys to connect. And that's it. We could start the service now and let it run with the defaults. With full encryption. Before that though, let's see what these defaults are. Gatod has a lot more customization available than the server. Usually you just want to use one of the modes. Running all at once is supported too if you need that. Opening Etsy Gatod.ini, you'll see all the options along with documentation. The very first entry is log reader. This will parse an existing syslog and tunnel the new entries to the remote server. The next line enables verbose output mode. This shouldn't be used in production since it slows the system down. Logs go to a custom output file in your logs directory, not syslog. Port is the network port to listen on, 0 to disable. Gatod is a full syslog replacement, but usually you want to keep the distribution syslog and run Gatod on a different port for services you are interested in to prevent package conflicts. Gatod server is the remote server to forward data to. This must be a host name since the key exchange does not include IP addresses to prevent infrastructure topology from being visible. If you don't have DNS names, add the remote server to the hosts file. The Gatod server port is the port number you choose for it on setup, usually the default. The Gatod directory is used to store keys and also to write data to keep track of the last timestamp sent through syslog forwarding. Usually, writes are minimal. Finally, the Docker reader will forward the output of all Docker containers to the log server. This doesn't require any special Docker configuration, as the service will connect directly to Docker and load them. It will forward any log data given by Docker, so if you repeatedly restart the service it might log duplicate console output. And that's it, you have a fully set up system. All you need to do is configure your application to send syslog to the configured agent port, and you're done. Without purchased software licenses, you can attach 2 agents to each server so you can start trying it right away. We'll cover licensing in another video. Thanks for watching.